How to buy CATZILLA token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find in my channel, please do your own research. So before going and buy this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following their updates about this token. Now, to be able to buy this token, the only way is by going to their official website, because this token is under the pre-sale. Now, first of all, you need to connect your wallet. Now select this between this wallet type, EVM or Sol. Now for me, I will just search or select EVM. Now here I will select my wallet, for example, Bybit wallet. And after that, you need to connect your wallet by confirm. And after that, your wallet is connected to this page. Now after that, select the chain from here and select the token from here. As you can see, for me, I will select USDT. Now here, type how much you want to buy and click on approve USDT, and this pop-up it will appear. As you can see, make sure to read all of that and click on the top up gas. As you can see, so Ethereum balance isn't, because I don't have any Ethereum, I can't complete. But for you, if you have enough Ethereum, you will just click on buy and you will complete this process. Now for me, I need to deposit Ethereum to be able to buy in this token. Now let's try another wallet. I will just disconnect this wallet and connect another wallet, for example this wallet, or I will just select the Trust wallet for this. Now after that, I need to log in. So after that, if you use Trust wallet, just click on connect. As you can see, now select the chain and the token, for example USDT. Now here I will enter how much I want to buy. As you can see, click on approve USDT. Now pop up, it will appear here from the Trust wallet. As you can see, make sure to read all of that to be able to complete. Because I don't have enough USDT, I can't click on confirm, but for you, just click on confirm and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy the CATZILLA token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.